And hello, everybody. For this section, we would like to focus on analytics for AI and biomedical research, where data size and security may be some of the main concerns for your R&D work. We would like to first invite Dr. Alan Yu from Codex to share about his company's R&D focus and some remarks on the analytics issues they encounter. Alan, please.
Thank you very much, Maggie. So I'm honored to be invited by Hong Kong Science Park to present our solutions as well as our experience in bioinformatics together with few experts like Eric from Equinix and also Timothy from Hong Kong AI Lab. So our company is actually helping those pharmaceutical companies, clinics, hospitals to solve very difficult challenges in biotechnology, like how to diagnose rare diseases, how to perform precision treatment for cancer patients, and how we can optimize the clinical trials and the clinical R&D projects in Hong Kong clinical trial centers. We are also helping patients to manage their disease through remote monitoring solutions. These projects are all possible because we have our own CoGenesis bioinformatics platform. We have our own private cloud, which can ensure the data security and also the data ownership of the client's data. And at the same time, we can also help ensure the privacy issues and the security issues, which is very essential nowadays. So in summary, our solutions covers professionals like clinical trial solutions, biopharmaceutical solutions. We are helping them to get better diagnosis with the right treatment and the right person. And we are also helping them to manage their subjects in a better way, a more efficient way. We are also offering our genetic testing services, for example, hereditary cancer tests, neurodegenerative disease tests, and also drug response tests in collaboration with international organizations and researchers. So because the current topic is about informatics analytics, perhaps I spend some time to talk about our solutions. So our bioinformatics solution is an end-to-end cloud solution or private on-premise solution as well for precision medicine. We cover the primary, secondary to tertiary analysis for disease and other sequencing data sets. So we can also provide the clinical reporting according to international standard. Our pipeline is very flexible. We can support all major pipelines. We can, no matter it is whole genome sequencing or RNA sequencing, we can also support that. We are also very scalable. If you have your own cluster, we can deploy it on premise. Or if you would like to use a cloud-based solution, we can also do that. And this is very easy because we have our own interactive variant browser so that you can select the variants for reporting according to international standards. For researchers, you can also map all these insights into protein structures as well as different biological databases and do association analysis. And then we have also one of the unique features is our end-to-end solution because we can generate a PDF report directly using our platform. So here's our big data analytics dashboard. So if we have our own data, it's good to know more about the exact insights that you can derive from accumulating demographic, clinical, as well as genetic information together. So that you can derive novel biomarkers or even develop new products based on your own data. So if you are already accumulating a lot of data, it's good to show that in a dashboard in a very easy to understand way. And then in terms of security, I'm not going to go into the details. We have shared our reviews previously during AWS Summit 2020. Essentially, we employ a shared responsibility model where we handle all those auditing, monitoring, encryption, access management. And one of the major differentiations is that we have our own proprietary de-identification and anonymization algorithm to make sure the privacy issues for our clients. Here's a summary of our clients. We are helping a lot of international organizations NGOs, research institutions such as Prince of Wales hospitals, PolyU and CUHK. We're helping them in a lot of different ways and helping them to solve different important and challenging biotechnology problems. That's pretty much it. We are glad to have the support and recognition from organizations such as the Spirit of Hong Kong Award, and we are also covered recently in a number of media press releases. So thank you very much, and I would like to pass the time to Maggie.
Thank you, Alan. Thanks for your sharing. So in relation to the analytic needs that Alan's service has pointed out, we also noticed that some of the researchers and companies focusing on biomedical R&D may encounter some other data challenges. For example, when they're starting out, they may wonder how much the infrastructure will cost, how much computing power they will get. You will also need to put in both money and human resources on the IT maintenance. And when you need additional power, flexibility and scalability may be of issues. As biomedical data are sensitive information, there may also be concerns about how secure the data storage is and how you may transfer the data to collaborators efficiently for your collaborations. When you're working together, issues may arise about data ownership, as well as privacy matters, such as worrying about whether it is secure to let others own a copy of your data or not. So at HKSTP, we try to address these with a new establishment of a biomedical informatics platform. The BIP is a cloud-based platform targeted to help research in biomedical and healthcare. The features of BIP emphasize the flexibility of data management and exchange and powerful and scalable analytics capabilities, allowing for easy and secure collaborations among the researchers. So BIP allows users to manage their data and also make use of the data catalog to query data sets and initiate data exchanges accordingly. Researchers can make use of the scalable cloud resources for their computing needs, either using the available pipelines and softwares or upload their own analytics using the Docker container environment. They can also work on data projects within their own organization or together with different external collaborators through a secure private workspace on BIP. The project owners can use the dashboard to monitor and manage the project datasets and computing usages. For BIP, we emphasize the security with a governance structure which lets you decide on your valuable resources. You will have the flexibility in how you manage your data, including data query and data integration. For governance, data ownership remains with the data contributor unless otherwise stated, such as through donation. The data contributor will also have complete control on the access, giving permission to who can see or access your dataset or join your project, and BIP will keep track of the data lineage over time. Our platform follows the international best practices on data security and governance with HIPAA compliance and ISO standards. Data is encrypted at rest and in transit, and the collaboration project environment is a private sandbox, a workspace where you and your collaborators can run the analyses while ensuring data security and authorized usage. So in short, we provide a very secure everything is based on your own preference set up for your research. So if you're interested in joining BIP, please feel free to contact us for more information. So while BIP provides you with flexible cloud option for your analytics, we do notice that some researchers may also need on-premise support. So for your GPU servers, instead of putting inside your own office, the AI plug server room that Martin has introduced earlier could be a better choice for you. You can save much cost rather than building a 24/7 air conditioning server room in your own office. And the AI Plug server room provides high standard and security system, monitoring system, and UPS to protect your important machine. You do not need to worry about how to comply with the fire safety regulations. It's all set. The only thing you need to worry about is the limited quota per company. For a larger scale setup, you can also consider the Hong Kong 4 data center that was suggested by Eric, and you can even utilize their direct cloud connect for better cloud service. So Alan, would these analytics support services be able to help your R&D work at Codex?
It's amazing to know so many amazing architectures and infrastructures at Hong Kong Science Park. As a park company, we are excited to know all these initiatives. But if you are a relatively new startup which doesn't know how to make use of all these facilities, you will likely to need some experts to consult for your project, like what kind of facilities is best for you guys, and what kind of pipelines, or how you can deal with the intercompatibility of different data sets. And at this point, we can perhaps help you guys to solve these kind of difficult challenges and how to utilize different facilities more effectively. And we can also work with other leading providers, for example, the experts sitting here, together to help solve the challenges for you guys.